I made these charts to help people think about the different tenses in English. One thing that helps is to bear in mind that when an English speaker says any sentence, they're placing it in time. The verb in your sentence always tells you something about the time. And you can't make an English sentence without committing yourself as to the time you're talking about. And I think it helps some people to think about that if you have a language that doesn't have verb tenses. Okay, we're going to start with the simple past. And here I have a sample sentence we had a test last Friday. Okay, on these charts, the blue shape shows the time I'm talking about in the sentence. And you've got a line with the X marks now the time that I'm speaking. And then it goes to the future and the past. And on this chart, everything we talk about is going to be in the past because this lesson is all about the different past tenses. So here I'm talking about a time that happened before now, the time that I'm speaking. We had a test last Friday. The simple past can also mean this: something that took place for a period of time, extended over a period of time, but happened before now, the time that I'm talking. So when I say I worked in Richmond for 7 years, that was for a long time, but it still is finished now. When I use the simple past, I'm always talking about something that's finished. When I say I worked in Richmond for 7 years, you know that I don't work in Richmond now. Another thing that you can mean with the simple past is a repeated action in the past. Okay, so when I say I called him 3 times yesterday, 1, 2, 3, but it all happened before now, the time that I'm speaking.